Hey guys, it's Tony Mayfield with Fishing Effects with Icon Boats, Garmin Electronics, Iguana Marine Group. Hey, I just wanted to maybe do a different type of recording. So it's kind of the off season, it's the middle of winter, and we kind of had an issue. Our dam for the big lake down at the property washed out, and it's kind of a unique opportunity. We're going to go ahead, since we're going to have all the big equipment out here, we're going to make a few upgrades, hopefully make it a more pleasurable experience when we come down. But also I'd like to increase the population of bass in the lake. I'd like to increase the number and the amount of wildlife, and also the quality of the wildlife while we're here. And I don't know, I mentioned it to someone. They said, you know what, I think that's going to be a pretty interesting thing, and they wanted to follow along. And I said, well, maybe I'll go ahead and make a video for other people. So obviously we're going to fix this. I don't know if you can see it here, but it's about a 15-foot deep chasm. We're going to get that fixed. We're going to put a boat ramp in here. The lake right now is only about 10 acres, and really it's about a 13-acre lake because it's down a couple of feet. But we're also going to raise it up. We're going to, instead of doing these little stand pipes that the beavers just clog up, we're going to make an overflow that's nice and wide that they're going to have a lot of trouble covering up. And anyway, if that's something that interests you, stay tuned.